Hello, fellows. Welcome back to another episode of the Zachy Crypto Update channel. I'm thrilled to have you here with me today as we're about to dive into some truly exciting developments in the world of XRP. Today, we're going to discuss an eye-opening projection from a top analyst who believes XRP could potentially rally up to $36. We'll be outlining the critical levels you need to watch and exploring the technical indicators that support this bullish forecast. So make sure to stick around until the end, and if you miss anything, feel free to rewind and catch those key details again. Before we jump into the analysis, I want to remind you all that while I strive to bring you the most accurate and up-to-date information, I'm not a financial advisor. The insights and opinions shared in this video are for educational and informational purposes only. You must do your research and consult with a professional before making any financial decisions. The cryptocurrency market can be highly volatile, and while the rewards can be great, the risks are equally significant. With that said, let's get into today's topic. Let's kick things off by talking about the bold projection that's catching everyone's attention. According to a market analyst, XRP could be on the verge of a significant bullish wave that might propel it to an astonishing $36.76. Yes, you heard that right, $36.76. Now, this isn't just a random number plucked out of thin air. This projection is deeply rooted in the well-known Elliott wave theory, a method often used by technical analysts to predict market trends through the identification of recurring wave patterns. For those of you who might not be familiar with Elliott theory, let me break it down briefly. This theory is based on the idea that market prices move in predictable waves, which reflects the psychology of the masses. According to Elliott, a complete market cycle consists of 5 waves in the direction of the main trend, followed by 3 corrective waves. The key here is that these waves are fractal, meaning they can be observed in any time frame from minutes to months or even years. Now, in the context of XRP, the analyst suggests that we are currently in the 3rd wave of a 5-wave structure on the monthly chart. Why is this significant? Well, according to the theory, the 3rd wave is typically the most powerful and dynamic, often resulting in the most substantial price increases. If this analysis holds, XRP could be in for a remarkable rally. Now, let's talk about the key levels to watch out for. The analyst has identified several important Fibonacci extension levels that could serve as potential targets for XRP during this 3rd wave. For those who are new to Fibonacci extensions, let me quickly explain. These levels are based on the Fibonacci sequence, a mathematical series that appears frequently in nature and interestingly in financial markets as well. In technical analysis, Fibonacci extensions are used to predict potential areas of support and resistance by extending the Fibonacci retracement levels beyond the starting point of the wave. According to the analyst, the key Fibonacci extension levels for XRP in this wave are $1.88, $5.85, $18.22, and ultimately $36.76. These targets align with the Fibonacci extensions at 161.8%, 361.8%, 361.8%, and 423.6%. Now, why are these specific levels important? Well, each of these levels represents a potential area where we might see a pause or reversal in the trend as traders take profits or reassess the market conditions. However, if XRP can break through these levels with strong momentum, it could pave the way for even higher prices. One of the most fascinating aspects of this bullish forecast is the recent appearance of a dragonfly doji candle formation on the monthly chart. Now, this might sound a bit technical, so let me explain what it means. A dragonfly doji is a candlestick pattern that occurs when the open, high, and close prices are all roughly the same, but the low price is significantly lower. This creates a long lower shadow with little to no upper shadow, resembling a dragonfly. The significance of a dragonfly doji lies in its potential to signal a reversal in a downtrend. When this pattern appears after a significant decline, it indicates that sellers were in control for most of the period, but by the end of the session, buyers managed to push the price back up to the opening level. This suggests that the market might have found a strong support level, and the bulls are starting to regain control. In the case of XRP, the Dragonfly Doji suggests that the price might have found solid support around $0.40. This level could act as a launch pad for the next major upward movement. If the bulls can maintain this momentum, we could see XRP breaking through key resistance levels and heading toward the analyst's ambitious targets. Adding further weight to this bullish scenario is the position of the MACD indicator on the monthly chart. The MACD, or Moving Average Convergence Divergence, is a popular momentum indicator that helps traders identify changes in the strength, direction, momentum, and duration of a trend. A green MACD indicates a bullish crossover, where the shorter-term moving average crosses above the longer-term moving average, signaling increasing upward momentum. Now, in a long-term chart like the monthly one, this bullish crossover is particularly significant. It suggests that the recent upward momentum could be more than just a short-term bounce. It could be the beginning of a sustained rally. If this is the case, XRP could be setting the stage for a long and profitable climb. Another key indicator to watch is the Ichimoku cloud, a comprehensive indicator that shows support and resistance levels, momentum, and trend direction all in one view. The Ichimoku cloud is particularly useful in identifying areas where price may encounter resistance or support. According to the analyst, one of the most crucial levels to watch is $0.66. A break above this level could see XRP quickly testing $1.03, a mid-level target that also represents a significant resistance zone. So let's delve deeper into this $1.03 level. Why is it so important? Well, $1.03 serves as both a psychological resistance and a key technical level above the Ichimoku cloud. Psychological resistance levels are price points where traders often place their buy or sell orders, leading to increased market activity. These levels are typically round numbers that traders gravitate towards, like $1 or $1.50, making them significant in the market. From a technical standpoint, the $1.03 level is above the Ichimoku cloud, which is a key area of resistance. The Ichimoku cloud, also known as Kumo, represents an area of support and resistance and is used to gauge the overall trend. When the price is above the cloud, it's considered to be in a bullish trend, and when it's below, it's in a bearish trend. Therefore, breaking above the cloud at $1.03 could place XRP in what's being referred to as an extreme bullish zone. This could potentially attract more buyers, driving the price even higher and setting the stage for the next leg up in this potential rally. Now, you might be wondering, what about external factors like news events or legal battles? Interestingly, the analyst points out that the recently concluded legal battle involving Ripple hasn't had a significant impact on XRP's price. Instead, XRP's price action appears to be driven more by its technical structure than by external factors. This is a crucial point to understand. While news events and legal developments can certainly influence short-term price movements, the underlying technical structure of a market often has a more sustained impact on price trends. In the case of XRP, it seems that the market is paying more attention to the technical indicators we've discussed today than to external events. This reinforces the importance of technical analysis in understanding and predicting market movements. So where does XRP stand right now? As of the time of this analysis, XRP is trading at around $0.5874. It's moving within the bounds of its Bollinger Bands, which are a popular tool for measuring market volatility. The Bollinger Bands are currently showing a tightening pattern, which often precedes a significant price movement. When the bands tighten, it indicates that volatility is decreasing and that the market is consolidating. This consolidation phase often leads to a breakout, which could go either up or down. The current price is near the middle band, suggesting a balanced sentiment among traders. This means that neither the bulls nor the bears are in full control, and the market is waiting for a catalyst to break the equilibrium. However, the tightening of the band suggests that this equilibrium may soon break, leading to either a sharp rally or a decline. Looking at the RSI, or Relative Strength Index, on the daily chart, it stands at 53.82. The RSI is a momentum oscillator that measures the speed and change of price movements. An RSI above 70 is typically considered overbought, while an RSI below 30 is considered oversold. With an RSI of 53.82, XRP is currently in neutral territory, meaning it could potentially move in either direction. However, given the broader monthly analysis we've discussed, the odds seem to lean towards a bullish outcome, and that brings us to the end of today's deep dive into XRP. If you've been following along, you'll know that there's a lot to be excited about. The combination of the Elliott wave theory, Fibonacci levels, and strong technical indicators like the Dragonfly Doji, MACD, and Ichimoku Cloud all point to the possibility of a significant rally in XRP's near future. However, as always, it's important to stay informed and cautious. Markets can be unpredictable. And while the analysis looks promising, it's essential to manage your risk and make decisions based on your research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you never miss any of my future updates. Your support helps keep this channel going and allows me to continue bringing you valuable content. And of course, feel free to drop a comment with your thoughts, questions, or predictions. I'd love to hear what you think about XRP's future and whether you agree with this bullish outlook. Thank you again for tuning in to the Zachy Crypto Update channel. So keep exploring, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay sharp.